When it comes to nourishing our bodies from the inside out, few foods can rival the humble sweet potato. This vibrant root vegetable is more than just a delicious side dish. It's a nutritional powerhouse deserving of a place in everyone's diet. Packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes offer a wide range of health benefits, earning their rightful place as a true superfood. In the following sections, we'll delve deep into the world of sweet potatoes, exploring their nutritional profile and the numerous ways they can contribute to overall well-being. From boosting immunity to promoting gut health, sweet potatoes are a versatile and delicious addition to any meal plan. Whether you're a seasoned sweet potato enthusiast or just discovering their potential, join me as we unlock the secrets of this incredible superfood. Together, let's explore how incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can be a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Get ready to be amazed by the transformative power of the sweet potato. While sweet potatoes and white potatoes share a common name and similar appearance, their nutritional profiles and effects on our bodies differ significantly. One key distinction lies in their lectin content. Lectins are proteins found in plants that can interfere with nutrient absorption and contribute to gut inflammation in some individuals. White potatoes, particularly their skins, contain higher levels of lectins compared to sweet potatoes. For individuals following a lectin-restricted diet or those with pre-existing gut sensitivities, this difference is crucial. Sweet potatoes offer a gentler alternative, providing similar culinary versatility with a lower risk of triggering lectin-related issues. It's important to note that lectin sensitivity varies from person to person. While some individuals thrive on diets that include a variety of lectin-containing foods, others may experience digestive discomfort or other symptoms. Understanding the distinction between sweet potatoes and white potatoes empowers us to make informed choices that support our unique dietary needs and optimize our overall health. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional treasure trove, bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play vital roles in maintaining our health and vitality. One standout nutrient is beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives sweet potatoes their vibrant orange hue. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. In addition to their impressive vitamin A content, sweet potatoes are also excellent sources of vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that supports immune health and protects our cells from damage. They also provide a good dose of B vitamins, including vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in energy metabolism and brain function. Beyond vitamins, sweet potatoes are rich in polyphenols, plant compounds with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These beneficial compounds help protect our cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating sweet potatoes into our diets, we provide our bodies with a powerful arsenal of nutrients that can help us thrive. Section 4. Gut Guardian: How Sweet Potatoes Support a Healthy Microbiome. A thriving gut microbiome is essential for overall health and well-being. It is a complex community of microorganisms that live in our digestive tracts, playing a vital role in maintaining our health. This microbiome is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. The balance of these microorganisms can influence everything from our mood to our metabolism. Sweet potatoes, with their impressive fiber content, particularly resistant starch, act as prebiotics, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria residing in our gut. These prebiotics are essential for feeding the good bacteria and helping them thrive. Resistant starch, as its name suggests, resists digestion in the small intestine and reaches the colon relatively intact. This unique property allows it to serve as a food source for our gut bacteria. Here, in the colon, it acts as food for our gut bacteria, promoting the growth of beneficial species. This process is essential for maintaining a balanced and healthy gut microbiome. This fermentation process produces short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, which have anti-inflammatory effects and support gut barrier integrity. These short-chain fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the health of the cells lining the colon. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. By supporting our gut health, we can potentially lower our risk of these serious health conditions. By nourishing our gut bacteria with prebiotic-rich foods like sweet potatoes, we can foster a thriving internal ecosystem that supports overall health and well-being. Including sweet potatoes in our diet can be a delicious and effective way to promote gut health. Incorporating sweet potatoes into our diets is a simple yet powerful way to support our gut health and reap the benefits of a thriving microbiome. Whether roasted, mashed, or baked, sweet potatoes can be a versatile and tasty addition to our meals, contributing to our overall health. Section 5. Cooking for Wellness, Maximizing Sweet Potatoes' Health Benefits. While sweet potatoes are undeniably nutritious in their raw form, certain cooking methods can enhance their digestibility and unlock even greater health benefits. These vibrant tubers are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can be optimized through thoughtful preparation. Roasting, for example, helps break down complex carbohydrates, making them easier to digest and absorb. This method also brings out a rich, deep flavor that can transform a simple dish into a culinary delight. Additionally, the caramelization process that occurs during roasting enhances the natural sweetness of sweet potatoes, creating a more satisfying flavor profile. The crispy exterior and tender interior make roasted sweet potatoes a favorite among many. Boiling is another simple and effective cooking method that preserves nutrients while making sweet potatoes tender and versatile. This method is particularly useful for preparing sweet potatoes for mashing or adding to soups and stews. However, it's important to note that boiling can leach some water-soluble nutrients, such as vitamin C, into the cooking water. To retain these nutrients, consider using the cooking water in soups or sauces. To minimize nutrient loss, opt for steaming or microwaving, which tend to retain more nutrients. Steaming, in particular, is gentle on the sweet potatoes, preserving their vibrant color and nutritional integrity. No matter your preferred cooking method, always aim to cook sweet potatoes until tender, but not mushy. This ensures that they maintain their structure and nutritional value. Overcooking can destroy some of their delicate nutrients, compromising their nutritional value. It's a fine balance to achieve the perfect texture without losing the health benefits. By understanding how different cooking methods can impact nutrient availability, we can make informed choices that maximize the health benefits of this incredible superfood. Whether you prefer them roasted, boiled, steamed, or microwaved, sweet potatoes can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. Section 6. Sweet potatoes on the go. Navigating restaurant choices wisely. While enjoying sweet potatoes at home allows for greater control over ingredients and cooking methods, there are still ways to make healthy choices when dining out. Restaurants often offer a variety of sweet potato dishes, but it's important to be mindful of how these dishes are prepared. When ordering sweet potato fries, for example, inquire about the cooking oil used. Some oils are healthier than others, and knowing this can help you make a better choice. Opt for fries that are baked or air-fried rather than deep-fried to reduce unnecessary calorie and fat content. Baked or air-fried options retain the sweet potato's natural goodness while cutting down on unhealthy fats. If you're craving a sweet potato dish as a main course, look for options that are grilled, roasted, or steamed rather than fried or drenched in heavy sauces. These methods not only preserve the nutritional value but also enhance the natural flavors. These cooking methods tend to be lighter and healthier, allowing the natural flavors and nutrients of the sweet potato to shine through. Grilled or roasted sweet potatoes can be a delightful and nutritious addition to your meal. Don't hesitate to ask your server about the ingredients used in a particular dish. Understanding what goes into your meal can help you make informed choices. Request modifications if needed, such as substituting unhealthy sides like fries or mashed potatoes with a side of steamed vegetables or a salad. This simple change can significantly boost the nutritional value of your meal. By being mindful of cooking methods, ingredients, and portion sizes, you can still enjoy the deliciousness and health benefits of sweet potatoes even when dining out. Making these small adjustments ensures that your dining experience is both satisfying and health-conscious. Section 7. Embrace the sweet potato, a delicious path to better health. From their impressive nutritional profile to their versatility in the kitchen, sweet potatoes offer a delicious and accessible path to better health. Whether you enjoy them roasted, mashed, baked, or spiralized, there's a way to incorporate this superfood into your diet that suits your taste and lifestyle. Embrace the sweetness and versatility of this nutritional powerhouse. Experiment with different cooking methods, flavors, and recipes to discover your favorite ways to enjoy sweet potatoes. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. For more insights on incorporating sweet potatoes and other nutritious foods into your diet, visit my website or listen to my podcast, Feel Better, Live More. Here's to a healthier, happier you.